Good morning, students. So today we'll find the relation between electric potential and electric field. Now we already know that VB minus VA, that is the potential difference between points A and B, is equal to the work done upon charge Q. VB minus VA equals to Q, or more accurately, modulus of VB minus VA equals to W upon Q. Also we know that force or electrostatic force equals to charge into electric field intensity. Using these two formula, these two equations, we will find the relation between electric potential and electric field. Let us say that we have an electric field with curved electric field lines, as if it is generated between positive and negative charge. Let these be the directions of electric field. Let there be 2 points A and B inside this electric field, and a charge Q is taken from A to B, okay. Then at any point on this path, now this path can be a curved line or it can be a straight line also, but it does not make any difference because the work done is a conservative force. It does not depend upon the path. So at any point on this line, this will be the direction of motion and this will be the direction of force applied on the charge Q by electric field, that is F equals to QE. Okay, so from this and using the equations, we can find out the total work done on this charge. The total work done, let us say, to shift this charge from this point by a small distance dl, a small work done dw is done, which will be given as F dot dl. F dot dl, putting the value of F, QE dot dl. Okay, now the total work done from A to B can be obtained by integrating this equation. So we can write W equals to integration of QE dot dl from A to B, on the entire path. Now putting this, using this equation here, we can say that VB minus VA, or change in potential between points A and B, equals to Q upon Q, A to B, E dot dl. Okay. Now since this work done is in opposite direction of the force, the work is always done in the opposite direction of the force, so we can put a minus sign here, okay, to show that the work is done on the opposite direction. So Q gets cancelled and we get the expression VB minus VA equals to minus integral of E dot dl from A to B. Okay, so this is the integral form of the relation between potential and electric field. This is the integral form. If we convert this integral form into differential form, then we can write as the change in potential can be written as dV in differential form. So dV will be equal to E dot dl with a minus sign, or EDL cos theta minus EDL cos theta. Rearranging, we can say that dV by dl equals to E cos theta. Now this equation is very important, and theta is the angle between E and dl. So we can say that these two equations will give us the relation between potential and electric field intensity. According to question, you can use either of those.